we're going out for dinner. My arm's hurting. Ow. Yeah, we're going out for dinner. I'll probably like film my dinner, but we'll see if I speak outside or anything because I'm embarrassed to vlog. But
Tina's paying, obviously.
I should have vlogged at the beach, but I'm a bit lazy, so I will keep you guys updated. Anyway, this is like day 3 on the beach, by the way. Hey guys, so basically, oh god, I'm in a restaurant and I'll be vlogging the food, but yeah, okay, bye. Shopska salad, which is, I don't know.
Salad.
Yeah, that's what it means, but it's like cucumber, tomato. What is this? What is the cheese? Is it just normal cheese? Like, not really feta.
It's like a white village cheese. It's not like feta. It's like it's drier.
Yeah, so it's like a white village cheese, and it's like really common in like
feta's
Balkan,
the closest. Yeah,
Balkan
feta's like the
places.
closest kind of thing to it, but it's not feta.
Yeah, it's not, but it's so good. It's literally the best. Yeah, it's like a traditional Balkan salad, and you literally get it with every meal. Okay, this is my food. This is Lipa's. I just Tina. I love how you're wiping off oil. Like, you honestly love that.
No, because it's just too much. Like.
Yeah. But Tina's looks the nicest, I think. That looks popping as well. Let's see how it tastes. Should we have this nice banana fish? Okay, I'm gonna try the food now. It's good. Okay, food check-in. I rate my food a good solid 6 out of 10. It's nice spaghetti, but it's not the best. Do you know what? I'm gonna be nice. 6.5. It was proper nice, but like it's just not. I don't know. It's not the best. Geta, what do you rate your pasta?
A 7.
I don't like fish, but it was nice. Teen?
Definitely a 7.
Hers was popping. Like hers, I tried hers. I'd rate an 8 actually. It was so much cheese, but I think there was too much cheese to lasagna sheet ratio. Yeah, it needed to be more pasta and less cheese, but it was really nice. Mine was, but you know, we're in Albania, so what do you expect?
Have you tasted these olives?
Anyway, bye. Oh, I don't know if he's our manager or something. He just gave us free ice cream. It's really cute. Let me show you. Albanian flag. And he put like a little, what's it called? Wafer roll. Wafer cone, and it's chocolate, obviously. Come on. We love them. There's like an actual baguette. I mean, oh, baguette. This is like literally the best spread ever.
A queen.
Yeah, like literally, and then like freaking great. Hey guys, so I just thought I'd update you. Basically, I'm not at the beach anymore. I'm actually in Kosovo because my sister like last minute bought tickets to SUNNYHILL festival. If you don't know what that is, you can like search it online, but it's like a festival that Lipa made, like her dad made it. So yeah, she's gonna be there. There's gonna be like Martin Garrix, there's gonna be loads of people and it's gonna be fun. But yeah, so we're here for the next like 4 days and then we're going back to the beach. But I will be vlogging everything, so I think this next vlog is going up on Monday instead of Friday because I want to make it like a really long one and include the festival in it because it is a 3-day festival. But yeah, I'm really excited. And yeah, obviously back in the hometown. FYI, this is the best juice ever. Strawberry juice is the best thing with my meal right now. It looks okay, well Tina's is popping, but still.
Me and Mom are sharing though, so nice.
Do you guys want to be in it? No. Mom?
Yes.
No, this way, because it's like better quality. Oh, cute.
Oh, cute.
Grace doesn't want to be in it. Okay. Guys, basically this is kind of where I live. Like, I live in that building here. And we're just walking down the little hill to go meet my dad.
Little hill?
I mean, the big hill. And this is like basically some of Pristina.
Oh, yeah, it's a SUNNYHILL Festival.
Oh yeah, SUNNYHILL Festival is going to be over there. It's like literally near our house, so that's really helpful. So I'm looking like this is my outfit today. Shoes. Oh, where's my shoes?
Do you want me to video you?
Yeah. Oh yes, pulling up. I vlog my food, but this is the aftermath. Oh, it's not even finished. During. It's just chicken, broccoli, sauce, and rice, delish, and salad. Bro, I forgot to vlog my makeup, but this is my outfit. I changed to a fanny pack. I bought one for €7 in a shop. It's like fake Gucci. Love it. Guys, Dua Lipa is literally like 2 seconds away from us. Like, she's literally right there. Oh my god.
Let me hear what's broken. Lay your head down softly in a bed of roses. You don't have to be your most unapologetic you and never listen to anyone that tells you otherwise. In my dreams, you say you want me in my body. Smile on me, but tonight I'm so self-conscious. Isn't it so clear you're looking at the sun? You're not cool. We don't have to be the line of truth between me and you. Like I said, oh, you never seem to come, you need sorry, yeah.
Okay guys, I'm trash. Okay.
We're dying.
We're literally walking home up our little hill.
We're not walking home, we're fucking
Hiking home. Because it was like, the thing was like at the top of like a
National Park.
National Park, because we had to walk through it. And now we have to walk up our hill.
Lucky for us.
Listen, that was the best night ever. I've lost my voice, I'm going to jump now. These lot have had enough. Haven't eaten all day. This is as much as I've drunk all day. So yeah, I'm honestly
I threw up this morning.
honestly we love, but we made it, do you know what I mean? Dua Lipa passed on. Everyone was amazing. Like, I'm just
And Grace
shook.
Carter, shout
Yeah,
out.
Grace Carter was so
Underrated.
so good. Like, Anyway,
Like,
that was my night.
The song, so they didn't know she was a London artist, but
she
everyone was
so-
jamming.
yeah,
they were
literally.
feeling it. Like it was bare live.
Honestly, my arm's tired from holding it, but
And Stanaj,
Bruv.
Stanaj.
no, Stanaj was literally amazing. He's my husband. Can he marry me? If you see this, I love you. And Dua Lipa banged it as always. Like my girl has moves. My girl has performance technique. Listen, she was amazing. She sang. You're gonna see all the footage, but anyway.
And Doogie Doogie.
And Dugajin Lipa, her dad was amazing as well. Anyway, I'm freaking dying. See you later.
I look like trash. This is the morning after the concert. Watch our breakfast / lunch.
Look, Puma, they're like custard and donuts. And
Yeah,
that the
but
best way to describe
they're not
them?
sweet or anything. They're just like
Yeah, they're just like, you can eat them as savoury and sweet. I've got onion rings, yes, I got chicken fingers. Tina got Lukuma as well, but hers aren't here yet. Yeah. Hey guys, so we're back from the beach. You know, it's 12 to 2, and I made some, obviously, made some lunch. So I'm gonna show you. It's like a traditional Kosovo meal. It's called spit amamaz, which just means like peppers with cream. What does it mean, Tin? Maz?
cream.
Yeah, cream. It's like, but it's not really just cream. Like I put like egg, cream, milk, butter, and pepper. But it's like white peppers. Let me show you. It's really nice. It doesn't look great, but it's delicious. I swear it's delicious. It looks like porridge, but it's really not. It's peppers. Trust me, this is the shit. You just have it with a bit of bread. Delish.
Still scooping it in the juice.
What was it? You just gotta scoop, scoop, scoop. Here's the spot. Anyway, guys, I'll catch up with you later. This is my makeup. Wait, let me get better lighting. Literally, all my makeup's been recently is highlighter, mascara, and eyebrows because I can't be bothered for anything else. Got my hoop earrings on. Got your sister with you. And yeah. My nails came off, so now I just have plain white ones back. Okay, this is my meal for today. I got...
Are you gonna do mine as well?
Yeah, I got risotto, vegetarian. What'd you get? I forgot. Spaghetti,
Napoli.
Cute. I don't know, I'm always looking like actual trash, but I'm editing the video and realised I didn't have an outro. So here it is. Yeah, what happened was, by the way, this is the wristband from the festival. What had happened was, we stayed at the festival, but for like, we only did the first day of the festival, purely because I'm not like good in them kind of situations anyway, and we kind of wanted to get to the beach, but it was amazing. But like, yeah, so we only stayed for the first day.
The main day.
The main day. We
No,
saw
like,
Dudley.
the other days were amazing.
No,
like,
yeah, the lineups for the 2 other days were good, but we had stuff to do. We couldn't stay, and it just wasn't like a situation that I felt comfortable with. Like, it was a lot of people and stuff like that, but it was so worth it for Lipa and Stanaj and all of that. They were amazing. So yeah, but obviously we came back to the beach. Yeah, we're definitely going back to Pristina. What is going on with my hair? We're definitely going back to Kosovo. Not sure when. Like, my plans always change because like I'm a mess, but what can you do?
Like, we're just seeing how tan is tan enough for the rest
Like,
of
I'm
the
trying
year.
to get there, but yeah. So this is the end of the vlog. Sorry that I didn't have a proper outro or intro or anything, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, please subscribe, like, all of that stuff. And thank you. Oh, also thank you for 1.2k. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.
Also, write in the comments about how much you love Deborah's sister. Don't film me. I'm not ready. I'm not.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat my bueno. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.